Traders, Anthony here. We're looking at the NAS100. Look at this price action. Now we're trending down lower lows, lower highs on the daily time frame and the weekly. It's kind of similar. The monthly is giving us a bearish candle. I've just been marking up this. Look at these levels. This is looking like it wants to roll over here. If we just quickly go out to the monthly and get a bit of a sense of what direction are the banks taking this at the moment. Well, look at these red candles and look at this hammer candle here, this big pin bar. So that's pretty bearish at the moment. Now, the thing that has got my interest on the monthly is, see this white dotted line? I've pulled up these lows. This is a big level on the monthly. You can see here as well. So that would be a point of interest in terms of downside target. Now, upside target, within this range at the moment, we've got these candle bodies here that I've pulled through. This white dotted line. So between these two levels, I'm interested. And if we go down to a weekly, it kind of paints a picture. Look at this. This is my stop hunt indicator. I use the parallel channel, and I've got the midline dotted thing through here. What I've done is I've just picked up, see, look at these equal lows here, back here, back here. Look how big this level is, guys. And wicks down, wicks down, wicks down, wicks down. These wicks, we're looking at a huge amount of resting. Let's just grab this stop orders. Where are we? Let's just call that our liquidity void. No, sorry, liquidity pool. It's the opposite. Right, see, we've got this massive liquidity pool under here. Look at this rally. What do you think's resting under here? Stops, okay? Look at this rally. What's resting under here? Look at this. Stop losses galore. So it's tapping into a big liquidity pool at the moment. So this has got me thinking, and I've drawn a little thing. We'll come back to this in a minute. We could see this react off this level here, possibly retrace, right? So we've got that going on the weekly chart. So let's just go down to the daily. On the daily chart, yeah, see, look at these wicks. Look at this. This is big liquidity down here, guys. We're tapping right into it. Now, it's Monday, and quite often, well, more often than not, you're going to find smart money is going to be hunting stops. They're going to be, I think they're looking to short this, given that the higher time frame is bearish, but to short it, they need what? They need buyers. If they're going to sell, they need buyers. So what they'll do here is they'll tap into this down here. It'll trade back up. Where else is there resting liquidity? Have a look at this range up through here, all through retail traders short stop losses galore resting up through here. This leg to the downside. So that's right for the picking. So that's that. We also have on the daily chart, we've got this imbalance. This gap through here, that's key. Market's looking for a couple of things. It's always looking for liquidity for one thing. It has to have liquidity to function. And it makes sense that if it's tapping into this, it's just going to push it back up. It taps back up into here, and then possibly we see another leg. Now, consider this. Trend continuation, what's the thing? Well, we grab a fib, high to low, retrace back into, this is my ideal entry point, 618 to 786. So I'm looking for a sell opportunity, but it's not going to be down here. I don't want to counter trend trade it. I would prefer to sit out of the market. If we get a move back up in through here, that's on the higher time frame. I mean, I could be playing with this on the lower time frame and having a bit of fun with it, on a 3-5 minute chart, scalping, day trades, what have you, in and out of the market, looking for similar kind of setups. But what I want to do with this is actually build some positions, and here's why. Let's just quickly go back out to the build positions, add to my position. Look, I've marked up this swing low to swing high. Look at this massive trading range. I mean, look, it even goes further. It originates back here. This is where we had a shift in trend reversal. I mean, honestly, guys, well, dream a little. You've got these levels down here, and I mean, this could work its way. Why not? It did it from here, didn't it, right? So look, this swing low all the way up to here. How many pips are involved in that range? That's massive. Okay, look at this. This is what I'm getting at. You build your positions from up top, up here, and you leave a few of these running all the way down until, well, you get, some of them get taken out. But look, consider this. You enter short. You see the rollover here, right? Here's the thing. Wrap your head around this. Let me just grab a pencil drawing tool. You enter short, 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 short on these pullbacks, righto. These guys get taken out because we've got this pullback. Short, 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 short. Now, a lot of this we're going to be in and out of the market, right? These guys get taken out because of the pullback. But look what I'm getting at here. This is an interesting idea, guys. See this lot, and see this lot. Think about the equity built up from these trades back up in here. Right, let's just grab, where are we? Bearish, short, short. You see where I'm going with this? All right, these guys get wiped out. These are all in, and that's your kind of line in the sand. But what happens is down here, you know, you see this reversal, then you can liquidate these guys. All of this. This is absolutely massive. Try to wrap your head around what this means. So, you know, my intention is to look for the opportunity that we have right now and start working these shorts in here on the higher time frame. Small position size, just let them sit there. And boy, okay, that's on the higher time frame, and then I'll be playing around with it on the lower time frame as well, in and out, just continually taking money out of the market. But given the concept that I just showed you, guys, that's my trading range. That's it. And why would not that be a trading range? I mean, look at this. Look at this. Look at these ranges. Look how far they can travel. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Guys, that's a bullish anyway. We're getting a bit out of hand here. Let's just come back over here. Look, plan of attack, is to build positions and follow this down. Let's just go down to back to the hourly chart. Now, getting a bit closer to the action here. I've got these marked up now. These are my levels of interest. Oh, that's the 1 hour, I'm sorry. We'll go back to a daily. By the way, guys, click the link below and jump on board our free Telegram group. All right, so I'm interested in this, possibly a retrace back into here. Now, I want to see this setup. See what I've got over here. What have I done? This price action on the lower time frame. I'm looking for this pullback, possibly even trades further south today, who knows, and then look out for that, guys. Just don't get caught out. Okay, it could travel south, picking up more stops, and then bang, they take out those stops, and then what? Keep that in mind. What I'm going to be looking for is, I don't want to counter trend trade it. I don't want to short it here. I'm going to sit back patiently, and if it pulls back up into here, let's just say that's the pullback, just simply wait for the market to invite you in. All I'm waiting for back here is some kind of a range, a spike up to take out stops, and then we start to see it trend south on the lower time frame. And I mean, if you want to play it a little bit, you know, if you're a little bit careful, wait for this pullback in here, retest of this previous low here, right? And that's an entry point. Anyway, I think that wraps it up, guys. I would be looking at something like that. Just let it unfold and invite you in. With that, I hope you have a great day. Make sure you comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.